Hello all. In this video, I will show you how to record a Teams meeting. By recording a Microsoft Teams meeting, you get the opportunity to review the meeting details and conversations later. You can also share this recording with someone who missed the meeting due to other commitments. It usually happens. Let's see how it can be done. I'm in my Microsoft Teams desktop application right now. So I'm here to start a meeting, right? So that I can show you how to record the meeting. I will just quickly create a new meeting to show you how to record a meeting instantly. So let me create a meeting first. Let's name it marketing discussions. Let's start the meeting now. And the meeting window will show up. You can set the video and the uh, audio setups over here and click on join now. You can use the copy meeting link button over here to copy the link to the meeting and instantly send to anyone to join the meeting quickly. I'm not going to add anyone to this meeting, and this is for just for demo purposes. So let me just share the screen to make it look like a normal meeting. So I'm going to share this option, share this page, my SharePoint page, and let me get back to the meeting window. So this is how the meeting window looks. So you can click on the more action ellipses from the top here and choose start recording to start the meeting. So I'm clicking on it. So you'll see the notification over here, which says getting started to record the meeting. So recording and transcription have started. So when you start recording, the live transcription will also get started automatically. So you can just stop the transcription if you want, or it will go on as default. So the meeting recording is now started. It is getting recorded automatically. You can also use options like hide transcript to hide the live transcription, or we can click on start transcription, start the transcription, live transcription. So that's how these options work. And let's just stop the recording right now. So click on the more options again and click on stop recording. Just confirm it by clicking on stop recording, and the recording has now ended. When you start recording, all participants of the meeting will get notified. So let's just keep that in mind, as some countries need prior permissions to record someone else. So that's a factor you need to be aware of. Let's now end this meeting and see how the recording looks and other further options. As you can see, this is the meeting chat for the meeting we just had. So you can see all details regarding the meeting here, who all attended the conversation, the meeting start and end time, the recording start and recording stop timing, everything, even including the link to the recording, as well as the duration of the link and also the meeting transcript. You can click on the video link here or the video to go to the video recording directly. So it will open up in a new browser tab, and you can play it here. So that's how the recordings work, and you get all kinds of options like share option, copy link, download, delete, copy to, version history options right here. And there is also video settings here. And another option is the transcript here. You can also access the transcripts option over here. And there is also a information icon here, which allows you to open the details pane. So click on it, and here you will find options to manage access, expiration dates, activities, etc., and also all details regarding the file. So the next thing I want to show is how to set up an expiration date for the meeting recording. So why you need to set an expiration date is that Some videos get outdated after a certain period. So for such videos, you can set up a expiration date. At Doc, most of our daily discussions get outdated, or we don't need them after a week or two. So we'll just set an expiration date of 2 weeks, so that it will automatically move to the recycle bin after 2 weeks. And you'll also get the opportunity to restore the recording from the SharePoint recycle bin within 90 days after that. So that's the options you get to reclaim the recording if you have a different thought. And you can also go back to this expiration date option anytime to expand or extend the expiration date like this. Just click on the icon here. You can extend by 7, 30, and 60 days. So select the date as you wish. You can also set a no expiration setting, so that the video will never expire and it will stay forever. So that's how you can manage these videos. For channel meetings, the recording will be saved to your SharePoint, and for other meetings, the recording will be saved to your OneDrive. If the recording is in your OneDrive, you can go to your OneDrive and click on My Files in the left side options, and you will see the recordings folder over here. Click on it and you will see a full list of meeting recordings you have. So choose any of the recordings you want and click on the ellipsis and click on details to access the same options you earlier accessed from the browser tab video. You will be taken to the details pane, where you get all options, including the access, expiration date, activity, or file details, etc. So that's another way you get to access this details or expiration date settings. Another easy method is to just hover over any of the recording video and click on see details. So same options will show. So these are the options you get to manage the meeting recordings efficiently and make the best use of the meetings you have. Try out these options and try recording your important meetings for analyzing it in detail afterwards. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comments. Thank you and have a great day.